Got it, Mike. Woo! These trails are crazy. Looks like it gets worse as well. This is like what to expect from the winter videos on the channel. Ugh. This is it every single winter. Just woods to stay warm. It's the best way. The winter season started, boys. Oh, he's in a pickle. Yeah! It's good training. I'm meant to be doing like an event in a couple of weeks. Or soon, I'm not sure actually when it is, but I need to get some training in. I think I might start with a practice day, maybe do an event, proper event, I'm not sure. We'll see. Oh, this is deep. Oh, and it stinks. You need smell cam on this. Oh, my goggles are steaming up. Oh, that stinks so bad. So bear with me, guys. You're gonna come with me in this Halloweeny, spooky, fucking creepy trail here. Apparently it's hard and not so hard and a bit hard, and oh geez, I hope you can see. It's gonna get dark in here. I'll try and brighten up for you. Come on, baby. Ooh, doesn't look that bad on GoPro, but these are seriously steep, rocky sections. Woo! Well, going into some really bad stuff. Welcome to the country. Oh. And this is why Jarvis is such a good rider. Oh, and why I'm not. Jesus! That was the wrong time to say that. I was about to say why Jarvis is such a good rider, because the UK is just all different types of landscapes to ride. Nothing's the same. You get mud, rocks, sand, grit, woods. God, there's no grip here at all. There's no grip at all. Hold on, Ralph. There's no grip. I'm like that. What a dick. We didn't cover the GoPro there. wasn't a good start. Right, let's try and get through this stuff. Come on! Oh! Oh my god! Who even invented this trail? How did they find this stuff? It's so stiff, there's no grip at all. Woo. There is no grip in there whatsoever. Sliding everywhere. Oh, I don't hear an engine.
Mate, we're missing the easy bit, the hard bit off.
What? Well, that wasn't too bad. It just wasn't gripping. I was sliding down the bank.
You just got to keep going. You just got to have that.
My groin's killing because your legs are side to side.
4 grand.
Just take a breather, Mike.
So, you know when you go
Oh!
quite steep going like to the left.
Ow!
Oh, Easter.
Oh, my knee.
Open.
Lift the bike. Lucky I got a knee pad on. Oh, there you go. Get covered by Ralphie. Oh, this is mud galore. Woo-hoo-hoo. Don't you just love those days you come out and you get absolutely filthy? I don't know why, but mud makes it more fun. Back in the woods again. Oh. Oh. Woo. I want to be able to stand up and all this kind of stuff, but like every time I try, like, oh, I'll try it now. Okay, this isn't so bad. It's the tight, rutty stuff. It's hard. Oh, foot was caught on a tree. Really soft stuff in here. I'm out of it. I gotta get through that. Let's try and go on the right hand side maybe. Right now you just gotta pick a line. You might want to stay back. TPI! TPI! We're in a stream. Ah, you need electric stop, buddy! Oh. Oh no. Try this way. Oh, it's hard. See, I can't seem to stand up in this stuff. Well, I don't think you can, to be fair. Where are they gone? Do you know where they've gone? Are you sure they came this way? How do we know they came this way? They didn't come this way. Every time, come on now. We are in the middle of nowhere. Why are we this way? Woo. Need to sort this clutch out. They didn't come this way. Oh, where did you go? Oh my God.